Welcome back into this new video Tech Express. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom navigation menu to Shopify. It's going to be really easy custom navigation tutorial. So I'm going to help you help the customers to find what they're looking for quickly, improving that the shopping experience is increasing to making changes of more sales. So first of all, you want to understand the Shopify navigation menus. Before we start, it's important to understand what are those. So the main menu, for example, it's the primary of your store, of how it should be looking, how it appears into the top of your store. It usually includes links to key pages like the home, there's the shop, the about, contact. Everybody understands what exactly is the main menu. Now there's a footer menu. This typically located at the bottom of the page. It usually includes links to the key pages, for example, I don't know, like the privacy policy, powered by, terms and services, and FAQ, and much more. So custom navigation menus allow you to organize your site structure and improve the user experience by making it easier for customers to find what they actually need. So let's access to the navigation setting to the Shopify. So I'm going to just close this and show you what we actually did before. In this case, I'm going to go into my store of Shopify. I go for my dashboard, and let's locate the left pod that says online store. Now here, I'm going to focus into navigation. Inside navigation, you should see that here you see the existing menus. So the existing menus, including the main menu and the footer, should be appearing in here. Now this is where you can just create, edit, and organize the links that appears into your site. So let's create a custom menu, right? Click into the option that says add menu, and give your menu a name like I don't know, shop categories or resources, right? There we go. Now if I clicked into add menu or save menu, we can give the menu a name, and then we can add items. For example, let's say here menu items, add menu item, and here I can add names and start adding links to my new menu. For example, let's say that I can go about us or home dashboard, and here where this part of the menu should be taking me. In this case, the home page. I go for add menu item, and here, for example, I have collections, all the collections, and here let's go for collections. Check out how my menu items are going to be added as we are moving on and on, right? I'm going to add a new one, blogs post, and I can go here into news, blogs, add. There we go. Now let's organize the menu items. After adding the items, you can organize them by dragging and them up and down. So if I select, for example, the blocks and I wanted to add this into the upper side, just drag and drop. Now if you want to add a new collection, for example, here into the blocks, I add the news, I go for add. Let's say they wanted to create some sub collections or sub menu. So to do this process, to create a drop down menu, we can drag a menu item slightly to the right beneath another item. So I select news, but I wanted, of course, to be this inside block. So I just drag a little bit to the right till I see this tiny dot, and I slip it like that. So this creates a hierarchy, making your menu look cleaner and more organized. Now to create a drop-down menu, now the sub-menus are particularly for organizing products into categories, for example, man, woman, accessories, and all of that. Now to access your custom menu to the Shopify dashboard, once your menu is ready, you need, of course, to save it and then assign it to a location on your site. If you're creating a new main menu, you can replace the existing one by clicking on the main menu and then choosing the change menu here into the online store. So I'm going to click here into online store. Now let's locate the option that says customize. The current menu that I currently have is the one that I want to replace. So in this case, I'm going to select here my header, and into the left side you have the menu. So I go for change menu, and instead of choosing the main menu, go for resources, the one that we just generated a few seconds ago, and go for select. Elements has now been added automatically, and here is my drop down menu of the blogs and news. So make sure to check the live store to see how your navigation menu looks and functions. So you can always come back and edit your menus as your store evolves. Simply return to the navigation section into your Shopify dashboard, click into the menu on the changes, and don't forget to save your changes. So every time you finished, you want to make sure that you have saved it, and choose this section that says preview. You can view this as a desktop file, you can view this as a mobile, or you can just focus here into the full screen of how it should be looking your website. Once I've checked out all of this element, then I believe that we are actually good to go. That's how you create a custom navigation menu into the Shopify. A well-structured menu can help you customers find what they're looking for quickly and easily. So if you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to TechExpress for more Shopify tips and tricks. Once again, thank you so much. See you next time.